ॐ सहनाववतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। पठामि संस्कृतं नित्यं वदामि संस्कृतं सदा ध्यायामि संस्कृतं सम्यक् वन्दे संस्कृतमातरं वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्।
Yeah, I can chant.
Is it not clear? Okay.
I un ril rip a ong I ouch hayavarak lan nyamagananam jabay घड़दश जब घड़दश छठ छठत पपै शशसर हल इति एतानि माहेश्वरसूत्राणि.
Okay, next. Uchcharanasthanani. Someone.
विसर्जनीयानां कण्ठः ऋतुयशानां तालु ऋतुरसानां मूर्धा ऋतुलसानां दन्ताः उपपद्मानीयानामौष्ठौ
Upopadmaniyanamoshtau.
उपपद्मानीयानामौष्ठौ निमगणना
Upopadmaniyanamoshtau. Moshtau.
उपपद्मानीयानामौष्ठौ यमगणनानां नासिका च एदैतो कण्ठतालु ओदैतो कण्ठोत्थं वकारस्य दन्तोष्टं जीवमूलीयस्य जिह्वामूलम्
Nasika
नासिका
anuswara.
नासिकानुस्वारस्य
Then next sutra and vritti. 5 sutras and vritti.
ईको यनचि इकहस्ताने यन् स्यादचि संहितायां विषये एचोयवायावः एचः क्रमादै औ आय् आव् आय् एते स्युः अचि लोपः साकल्यस्य एचः क्रमाद् ऐ औ आय् आव् एते स्युः अचि लोपः शाकल्यस्य अवर्णपूर्वयोः पदान्तयोः यवयोः लोपो वा अशि परे आद्गुणः अवर्णाद् अचि परे पूर्वपरयोः एकः गुण आदेशः स्यात् उपेन्द्रः अकः सवर्णे दीर्घः अकः सवर्णे अचि परे पूर्वपरयोः दीर्घ एकादेशः स्यात्
Up to that. Okay, we are in Visarga Sandhis. Visa Visarjaniyasya Saha and Vashari Sasajushoruhu Atorora Plutad Aplute. We finished this and we also saw Hashicha. This Hashicha Shivo Vandyaha. Example we saw. We'll see again what is this meaning. Apluta hrasva akarat par. रू इत्यस्य हश्वर्णे परे उकार आदेशः भवति. ह्रस्व akara, after that if there is rukara, or in this way we can say rukara when it is preceded by hrasvakara and it is followed by hash pratyahara, then that rukara will change into ukara. So this is in the case of samhita, means when we want to do samhita at that time, this hashicha will work. We'll see this in our last 5 minutes session. In that, this is required. That's why I am repeating this. So, rukara, here rukara is preceding akara and following hash pratyahara. Then that rukara will change into ukara. So, shivaru is there. This, how shivaru shabda came. Actually, Shivas plus Sandhya. It's Sakara change into Rukara. How Sakara changed into Rukara? By which sutra Sakara changed into Rukara? You can hear me, right?
Yes.
In this prakarana only, in Visarga Sandhi prakarana only, we saw that Sakara has changed into
Sasajushoruhu.
Sasajushoruhu. By Sasajushoruhu, that Sakara changed into Rukara. How this Sakara came? That is Prathama Vibhakti Ekavachanam Supratyaya. That we will see when we see Subanta Prakriya. When we learn Subanta Prakriya, at that time we will learn all this. But now this is Sakara. Sakara changed into Rukara by Sasajusho Ruhu. This Rukara preceded by Akara followed by Hash Pratyahara. Then that Rukara changed into Ukara. Here A plus U is there. So A plus U means Shivo. Okara has come. By which sutra?
Adgunaha.
By Adgunaha, this Okara has come. Then we change it. Shivo Vandyaha. There is another form. Like Shivo Vandyaha, if we see in Shastra, how we will split in Shastra, Shivaha Vandyaha. Shivaha Shivaha Vandyaha. We will split in this way. Why Shivaha Vandyaha, Shivo Vandyaha, Shivaha Vandyaha? So, this is based on the Vakta. If Vakta want to do Samhita, then it will become Hashicha, Shivo Vandyaha. If Vakta doesn't want to do any Samhita, Samhita means two padas coming together is called Samhita. If I want to make two padas together, then that is called Samhita. Like Shivo is the pada. Vandyaha is the pada. If I want to like Shivaru is the pada and Vandyaha is the another pada. Want to Samhita in this pada. Then Shishaka don't want a pada.
So, Unnati, we can't see your screen and your voice is broken.
Oh,
Okay, now I can.
okay. Shall I repeat this again?
Yes, please.
Okay. Shivo Vandyaha and Shivaha Vandyaha. Two kinds of forms are there. When we look at Shastra, Shivo Vandyaha, this kind of form will be there. So, what we will understand is Shivaha Vandyaha. When we read, when we split it, Shivaha Vandyaha, like that we will read. So, how we should understand this? Shivo Vandyaha. This is by Hashicha Sutra. If I want, Hashicha is Samhita. In that vritti, I did not mention, I will add that Samhitayam Vishaye. When I want to make two padas together, that is called Samhita. So here, if I want to make two padas together, then I use Hashicha Sutra. This point is clear?
Yes.
I don't want to use Samhita. I don't want to do Sandhi between two padas, these two padas. Then what I will do is this Shivaru Vandyaha up to this process is same. Then this Rukara will change into Visarga. Actually, Rukara will change into Rakara by Upadesha Ajanunasika if Tasya Lopaha. Two sutras will apply. We will just make it Shivar plus Vandyaha. So sutra we don't need, just we will understand how this is the process. Shivar plus Vandyaha. So here we don't have plus at all. After Shivar, we don't want to use Samhita. We don't want to make two padas together. Then what we will do is that Refa will change into Visarga. By which sutra?
Karavasanayor Visarjaniya.
Yes. By Karavasanayor, because it is Avasana. It is Avasana at the end. Shivar is at the end. So that Avasana is Refa. That Refa will change into Visarga by Karavasanayor Visarjaniyaha. Either way we can do. Either this process we can do or this process we can do. But in most of the Shastras, maximum this Shivo Vandyaha, this kind of form will be there. So we have to understand that Shivo is the Pratama Vibhakti Ekavachanam Shivaha. So when we split, we don't use Sandhi. Means we don't want to make two padas together when we split. That's why when we split, we are using Karavasanayor Visarjaniyaha and make it Shivaha Vandyaha, like that. Is this difference is clear?
Can I explain once actually? I didn't get it.
Okay, first one, is it clear? Up to this, Shivo Vandyaha is clear?
Yeah, this is clear, Amma.
Okay. This process is clear. Shiva's Sakara will change into Rukara, Rukara will change into Rakara, Refa, Refa will change into Visarga. Process is clear?
Yeah.
Or shall I explain this process also? Shivananji?
It's clear, Amma.
Okay. In Shastra, we will see this kind of forms. Shivo Vandyaha, this kind of form will be there. This is actually Samhita. Even there is a gap between two padas, but when we do Hashicha Sutra, it assumes that there is no gap. That Okara is following Ash Pratyahara. Means Ukara, that Rukara is following Ash Pratyahara and preceded by Akara. It changed into Ukara and Ukara changed into Okara. Then Shivo Vandyaha. This has come by Hashicha. Means here Samhita means two padas together make it together is called Samhita. So even though there is no gap, we are assuming even though there is gap, we are assuming there is no gap between these two padas. Means when we use Hashicha, even though there is gap, assume that there is no gap between two padas. Because that Rukara changed into Ukara changed into Okara, then Shivo Vandyaha. That Hash is following. Then in this, when we split that Shivo Vandyaha, same thing. See, is there any Vibhakti Shivo? In Vibhaktis, there is no Shabda Shivo. We have Shabda Shivaha. So if we want to split it, if we want to know what is that Shabda, then we have to split it. When we split it, Shivaha, it becomes Shivaha. So how Shivaha becomes? In this way, Shivaha comes. Shiva's Sakara will change into Rukara, Rukara will change into Rakara, Rakara will change into Visarga. Means it is my opinion whether I will take Hashicha or whether I will take Karavasanayor Visarjaniyaha. It is my wish. So the writer or Bhakta's wish is considered as the main thing. Am I make it clear or more confusing?
It is clear for me.
Yeah, Amma. Both ways we can do it actually. As per our
Both way we can do. But when we write Shastra, Shivo Vandyaha, that kind of forms only we should write. Because most of the times in Bhashya and Tika, in Mantra, Samhita, they do Samhita. they don't split the words. So that is where we are learning sandhis, how to split the sandhi. Okay. Then can you try this? Okay, I have already written. Okay, Ramaru gacchati. This Rikara changed into Ukara. Ukara changed into Okara. Ramo gacchati. Here, if we don't want to do Samhita, then what form can come here?
Ramah gacchati.
Ramaha gacchati. So when there is Hash Pratyahara, then we do Hashicha. Then if we want to split it, then we do Karavasanayo Visarjaniya. Okay, Aharu Yad. Aho Yad. It becomes Aho Yad. By which sutra Aho Yad it becomes?
Hashicha?
Yes. If we want to use Karavasanayo Visarjaniya, what form will come?
Ayad?
Ahah yad.
Ahaha Yad. That Okara will, instead of Okara, Visarga will come. Ahaha. We'll see this in our last 5 minutes. A lot of forms are there. You will realize the how importance given to this Hashicha Sutra. Actually, I was just before the class, I was discussing with Narayanji about this. Okay. We also saw this Bho Bhago Agho Apurvasya Yoshi. एतत् पूर्वस्य रोहो य आदेशः य आदेशो अशि. एतत् पूर्वस्य means भो भगो अघो अपूर्वस्य. If refa, that rakara, rukara, sorry, not refa, rukara. If rukara is preceded by bho, bhago, agho or akara, and it is followed by ash pratyahara, then that rukara will change into yakara. Same is true for akara also. Rukara, when it is preceded by bho, bhago, agho and akara, followed by ash pratyahara, then that rukara will change into yakara. This is the bho, bhago, agho apurvasya yoshi. Ash means all swaras and varga tritiya, chaturtha, panchama, antastha, hakara. All these letters comes under ash pratyahara. Here, bhos devaha is there. Bhoru, takara will change into rukara. By which sutra?
Sasa Jushoruhu.
Rukara will change into rukara is preceded by bho and followed by Ash Pratyahara. That Dakara is Ash Pratyahara or not?
Ashpratya.
Dakara is Ash Pratyahara. I am here. This Rukara is preceded by bho and followed by Ash Pratyahara, Dakara. Then that Rukara will change into Yakara. Bhoi Devaha. Bho Bhago Agho Apurvasya Yoshi. By this sutra, Rukara changed into Yakara. Up to this sutra is works. Then this Hali Sarvesham. We'll see that Hali Sarvesham, then we'll come back to this sutra so that all other forms. Whatever we did for Bho, same as Bhago, Agho and Akara. So I think even if we don't see the examples, is it okay? We'll see the example in Hali Sarvesham. Same examples. Shall we go to next sutra?
Yes, Poonaji.
Hali Sarvesham.
Hali Sarvesham.
Okay. In this sutra, Bho Bhago Agho Apurvasya. Yasya Lopaha Syat Hali. When that Yakara in Bho Bhago Agho Apurvasya, we changed that Rukara into Yakara. Right?
Yeah.
That Yakara, when it is preceded by Bho Bhago Agho and Akara, and followed by Hal. Hal means all consonants. When it is followed by all consonants, that Yakara will get Lopa. Yakara, when it is preceded by Bho Bhago Agho Akara, and followed by all consonants or any consonant, then that Yakara will get disappear. Bho, we'll see the process. Bho, Deva. Next to
Voice is not clarity.
what is the next process? Sutra you understood,
Boru
right?
Deva. Boru Deva.
Hmm. So have you understood? It was clear? So when I explained sutra meaning?
Yes.
Okay. Bhoru Devaha. What is the next process?
Bhoya
Ruka.
Bho
Into?
Deva.
Huh.
Rukara Yakara.
Hmm. Hmm. This yakara preceded by bho and followed by consonant. Then that yakara will get disappear. Now what will remain here?
Bho Devaha.
Bho Devaha. This is the Hali Sarvesham. Hali Sarvesham Sutra. That yakara gets disappear. Bhos Devaha. Sakara will change into Rukara by Saswajushoruhu. Rukara will change into Yakara by Bho Bhagwa Purvasya Yoshi. Yakara will disappear by Hali Sarvesham. Then final form is Bho Devaha. This Bho is Sambodhana. When we call someone Hey Bhagavan, like that, when we say this Bho Bhago Agho, all these are Agho is like a exclamatory, like that. That kind of meaning comes. Ashcharya. This is clear?
Yes, Purnaji.
Then Bhagos Namaste. What will come here?
Bhagoru Namaste.
Next.
Rukara.
Rukara change into?
Yakara.
Yakara change. Yakara?
Disappear.
What form will come?
Bhago
What is the
Namaste.
final? Bhago Namaste. Final form is Bhago Namaste. We'll do some more examples I have written. Some more explanation is there for this sutra. Some Lopashakalyasya also can come, but when Lopashakalyasya can come, when Hali Sarvesham can come, that difference we will see in next class.
ॐ पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते ॐ शान्तिः 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 हरिः ॐ श्रीगुरुभ्यो नमः हरिः ॐ